job. What shape is this? What shape is this? Hey, what shape are you making? Oh, you join them together? Oh, what shape is this? What shape is that?
Oh, it's the quarter with the rectangle and the square.
Rectangle and the square. Good job, honey. What about this one? You put these two triangles together. What shape is this? What shape is this?
Diamond.
Diamond. Good job. What else can you form?
Big eye.
What do you have?
I got the fish.
Yeah?
Daddy. That's one.
Are you all done? You're all done? You sure all done? Are you all done?
Right.
What is that? 2. Are you all done? There's a rectangle. Where's the semicircle? Can you find a semicircle for mommy? Where's the semicircle? You can't see a semicircle? Where's the semicircle? Where is it? Oh, where's the semicircle? Where is it? So what are you doing now?
Semicircle.
It's a semicircle? Yeah, looks like a semicircle. Right? All done? All done?